To preserve battery health on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter battery settings right here, and then you can scroll down until we find more battery settings. Inside there's charging optimization, and we have few options, so let me describe them. First one is smart charging. What it does is first you will need to make sure that you're charging your phone on a regular basis if you want to use smart charging, as what it does again, it charges your phone to 80% during the night, and then it learns the pattern when you're gonna wake up, and right before you're gonna wake up it starts charging back to 100% again, as keeping your battery at 100% most of the time will damage the battery health. So we have this option. We also have custom charging mode, which we can adjust right here. What it does, it automatically limits your battery charging to certain percentage that you can select. So you can choose whichever option you like. Then there's safe charging. You can activate this option and it will extend your battery life. Charging pauses when full and resumes below 95%. So again, it will normally charge to 100%, but when it reaches that 100%, it will stop charging even though the charger is plugged in, and when it drops to 95, it will begin to charge again. And there's also smart battery capacity. When smart battery capacity is enabled, the battery will finish charging just short of the actual peak capacity. This will reduce how long single charges last but extend the battery lifespan. You can enable or disable this option if you like. And there's also system optimization. You can optimize it if you haven't already. I've done it, so the option is locked out. Then we have option to stay connected while asleep. Keep your internet connection active after the screen turns off. You can enable or disable it, but it shouldn't do much around the battery health. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.